Meaning of endocrinologist.
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 Endocrinologist. An endocrinologist is a medical professional who specializes in the study of hormones and their impact on bodily functions. These doctors investigate hormonal imbalances and disorders, such as diabetes and thyroid problems, using a combination of physical exams, blood tests, and imaging studies. Once a diagnosis has been made, they work to develop a personalized treatment plan that may include medications, lifestyle changes, or hormone replacement therapy. Endocrinologists play an important role in helping patients manage their conditions and improve their overall health and well-being.